So the arithmetic mean of the monthly salaries of two people is 4,475. Right? So we know that the arithmetic mean is basically AN is going to be the term before this, AN minus 1. And then the term after this, AN plus 1, all over 2. Right? We know that one of these two, right? This is all equal to 4,475. But we know that one of these two will be 3,895. Right? But we don't know which one. So what I can say is we'll let x be the unknown one. Right? But so x plus 3,895 all over 2 has to be equal to 4,475. Okay, so if we do this, multiply both sides by 2. So this is 3,895 is 4,475 times 2. And then if I subtract 3,895 to both sides, right, I end up getting that the monthly salary of the other person is 5,055.